Let's see how to use a USB flash drive on VirtualBox. Let's start by plugging in the USB flash drive. And if we now open this PC, we can see it here. It's empty, but that's fine. Now we want to use it in a VirtualBox virtual machine. So let's choose from the list the virtual machine to which we want to attach the USB flash drive. Then we click on Settings. And here we choose USB. And since the USB flash drive I plugged in uses USB 3, that's what I need to choose from the list. Now make sure that all of your virtual machines are off. Otherwise you won't be able to make the selection here. It will be grayed out. Now that I chose USB 3, we need to click here to add a new USB device. And I need to choose the USB flash drive from the list. Let's now click on OK and start the virtual machine. And as soon as the machine starts, we can see here our USB flash drive, and we have full access to it, and we can copy files to it from the virtual machine.